Go to mommy's car so I can take a picture. Hurry. Go over to mommy's car. Go over there to mommy's. Go. You can make it. Keep going. Keep going. Go. Keep walking. Go. Go. You can do it. You can do it. Go to mommy's car. Go. Go. You can make it. You can make it. Come on. Go. A little more. A little more. Go. Go. You can do it. Go to mommy's car. You can make it. Go. You can make it. You can make it to mommy's car. Go. All the way. Keep going. Come on. You can do it. Go to mommy's car. You can make it. Hurry. Just fall down. You can fall down. Go ahead. Go ahead. You can just fall down. Go ahead. Over there. Fall down over there. Hurry. There you go. It's like climbing a mountain. Hey, now you gotta come back over here. Come this way. This way, this way. You making a snow angel? Kayla, you making a snow angel?
I can't believe no one takes it like this.
Come this way. Here, baby. Don't be scared. Get some body heat going.
Oh my goodness. I should have taken the ice out of there, no?
That's fine. That's fine. Just pile this snow over here in front of the garage.
Where am I going to put it?
See how I'm doing? Trucking it that way. You gotta chop, mama, chop at the top. Take the top part of the snow off. There you go. See how easy that is? That's fine. Try to chuck it though.
Gotta find my way to my baby. There's no way the snow came down last night. There's like no way.
Come on, baby.
You cold? Come on. I help you, Kayla. Dun, 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 dun. Come on. You can do it, Kayla. I'll help you. I'm gonna help you. Come on. Come on, Kayla. Grab my hand. Grab my hand. Grab my hand. Grab my hand. I can help you.
Come on, man. What are you on a union break? Don't step on it. You're compressing it, man. Finish that chunk you're doing. Pretend you're clearing the pathway. Just chop at it. Not from the bottom, from the top. There you go. I don't want you getting too tired too fast. Still got the whole driveway to go.
Yeah.
You wanted a house with a driveway? Huh? You wanted a car? Enjoy it. Bet you wish you lived in a condo right about now.
What's the condo gonna do for me? Huh? When I got a husband.
Mommy, you gotta move back. Let mommy shovel. Come on, this way.
Tomorrow's gonna be 90.
Yeah, in Florida. You're getting too much, man. You gotta do little shovels. You last longer like that.
You climbing the mountain?
Higher, Kayla, higher. All the way to the top. Go all the way to the top. Climb more. Yeah. The whole swing set's buried? Yeah, man, it got bad in the back. Yeah.
This is a little kid's dream, man.
Keep piling it up.
Wanna go sleep? Want a blanket?
Her cheeks are red.
Tell me when you wanna go inside, okay?
You wanna go inside?